Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Tucson local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a moving company that has the expertise, infrastructure, and skills to help you with your relocation? The expert movers at 3 Movers are ready to handle your local or long-distance move to and from Tucson and the surrounding area. We are ready to pack, transport, store, and unpack your services according to your needs. Here is what we offer as the best Tucson, Arizona movers and why our customers keep on choosing and recommending us for any moving needs. Long-distance movers in Tucson, Arizona. Moving to another state or even another country can be intimidating. If you don't have any moving experience or if your past moves have only been local, planning long-distance moves needs to be done in the time to put together all the details and ensure everything runs smoothly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tucson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.